Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the ring spotlight and placing it face down on a soft, stable surface. Once done, remove the mounting screws or unclip the bracket so you can reach the battery door. Make sure the replacement battery is charged to 100%. This reduces testing time and false failure checks. You unlock the battery latch, observe the contact orientation, and prepare to slide the battery out. This step prevents damage and preserves firmware settings. You now pull the old battery straight out, checking the compartment for dirt or corrosion that could impede contact. Cleaning matters because poor contact causes intermittent power. Next, align the new battery so the metal contacts face the matching pads, then push firmly until you hear or feel a click. This ensures a secure connection. After insertion, make sure the battery door seats flush and any screws or clips are tightened. This maintains weatherproofing and prevents vibration looseness. You finish by powering the camera back on and immediately opening the Ring app to run a live view and a device health check. This validates voltage and firmware handshake. Once confirmed, remount the unit and trigger a motion test to verify lights and recordings work. If something goes wrong, try a soft reset first, make sure the new battery is fully charged, and confirm the app shows latest firmware. If problems persist, contact Ring support with device ID and photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.